Now we go to the problem number 2. Here is the problem. A single phase 10 kVA 11,000 bar 220 volts transformer has core loss is equal to 300 watts at rated voltage and copper loss is equal to 400 watts at full load. Please underline the word this full load. This is very important. Why? If it is full load, what we are supposed to consider? What we are supposed to consider? The value of full loading factor, that is N. Okay. Now find the efficiency of the transformer feeding to the load at 0.8 power factor lagging. So now this problem is related to the efficiency. So therefore, which formula we are supposed to see? We are supposed to see the fourth formula. So making use of this formula, we are going to solve the efficiency. Agreed. You see here, N is equal to loading factor. So if it is full load, it is 1. If it is 3/4, it is 0.75. If it is half load, it is 0.5. If it is quarter load, it is 0.25. Like that. It is a loading factor. So cos phi is power factor. Pi is iron loss. Pcu is copper loss. So I'm going to make use of the fourth formula to calculate the efficiency. Any doubt? Okay. Now coming to the problem here. So you can see here, there are two methods to solve. Method 1 and method 2. Now first we'll see the method 2. So what are the things, what are the parameters given here? KVA is given. What is the value of KVA? 10 KVA. So given. So KVA is given. KVA value is equal to 10. Then what is given? So V1 given. V1 is equal to 11,000 volts. Correct. And V2 given. V2 is equal to how much V2 is given? What is the value of V2 given? 220 volts. 220 volts. This is given. Correct. Agreed. So KVA is given. V1 is given. V2 is given. What else? Copper loss. How much copper loss? 400 watts given. Core loss 300 watts given. Correct. What else given? 0.8 power factor. So what do you mean by power factor? Cos phi. So therefore my power factor is equal to cos phi. My power factor is equal to cos. I'm going to insert the formula here. My cos phi, which is equal to 0.8, and it is lying. So these are the values given. So these are all the given values. Correct. Now we know the formula. What they're asking to calculate? They're asking to calculate the efficiency of the transformer. Correct. And for what condition they are given? Full load. If it is full load, what is the value of N we are supposed to choose? The value of N for full load we are supposed to choose is at 1. Agreed. It should be 1. So therefore, substituting in that formula, method 2, efficiency formula is this. The value of N is 1. KVA is 10,000. Cos phi, power factor is 0.8 divided by N KVA cos phi. 1 into KVA, 10 into 1000 into cos phi plus Pi. What is the value of Pi? Iron loss 300 watts plus N square, that is 1 square into PCU. What is PCU? 400 watts. If you substitute under, why you are multiplying with 100? To get percentage. If you multiply with 100, you are going to get 99.9%. This is direct substitution by choosing the values given in the problem. What is method 2? And do you got the idea how to solve this problem? Now coming to the method 2, what they're doing is, you see the numerator, you see the denominator. So the numerator, the complete thing, N kVA 1000 cos phi is one value. If you multiply, you will get complete one value. I'm dividing that by 1000. If I divide by 1000, you will get N kVA cos phi. Are you getting what I'm saying? N kVA cos phi. This also divided by 1000. Pi is divided by 1000. n square PCU. So each and every component in the numerator and denominator is divided by 1000. So for this, what I'm going to do, if I divide PI by 1000, I'll get in kilowatt. If I divide this by 1000, I'll get in kilowatt. So that's only what they have done here. So WI given is 300. If I divide by 1000, I'm going to get 0.3. WCU given is 400 watts. If we divide by 1000, I'll get 0.4 K. Cos phi is so much. So you see the numerator? See the numerator? VI cos phi. Correct? VI cos phi. So kVA into 1000. If I divide by 1000, I'll get what? VI, the K is gone. VI cos phi. So that only I'm getting numerator. Correct? I'm calculating the efficiency at the secondary side. So if you want primary side, if it is V1, I1. If it is secondary side, V2, I2. Simple. Simple. So now I want to find the value of I2. So V2, what is the value of V2? V1 is this one. What is V2? 220. So 220. Correct? I2. How will you calculate I2? kVA into 1000 divided by V2. E2, V2, we can use the word. So if you divide by this, I'm going to get I2 is 45.545 amps. So substitute the value of V2, I2 cos phi divided by V2, I2 cos phi plus 0.3, 0.4. What is 0.3? 0.3 kilowatts, 0.4 kilowatts. The value of N directly they have taken as 1. If you do this, you will get the same answer. If you multiply this, you will get 99.9, the same answer what we have got. So now it's up to you how whether you want to use this method or you want to use this method. I think this method 2 is comfortable. Just take the formula, substitute the values over. Clear? This is problem number 2. Now I'm going to